Are you getting the error iPhone not found on the iPhone mirroring window? Here's how to get back enable and fix the problem. I am Max. Let's get started. First, ensure that your iPhone is near your Mac and enable Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Check from the settings. First, unlock your iPhone and open the Settings app. Check that Bluetooth is enabled. Don't need to pair your Mac using Bluetooth. Now, open Wi-Fi and check that it is connected to the same network. If not, verify on Mac from the top Wi-Fi menu and connect to the same Wi-Fi on iPhone. Ensure that Auto Connect is enabled to fix the problem all the time. Tap on the I button next to the network name and toggle the Enable Auto Join toggle. Now, go back to your Mac and click on Try Again to connect iPhone mirroring. If it says iPhone is used, press the power button to lock your iPhone and use it on your Mac with iPhone mirroring. That's it. If you still get an error after updating both devices to the latest macOS and iOS versions, reset iPhone mirroring. Force close iPhone mirroring from the top menu and reopen from the Spotlight search. Use Command plus space to open Spotlight search. Go to iPhone mirroring on your Mac from the top menu and open the iPhone mirroring and settings. Here's the option to reset the iPhone mirroring option. Click on it and continue with the reset option from the confirmation window. That's it. Set up your iPhone again with your Mac. If you get an error during setup, restart both devices and try using iPhone mirroring. Do you need more help? Comment down below and please like, share and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.